In this video, we will talk about the amazing benefits of managing your shipping containers with Skustack. If you're in the business of shipping goods, you know how important it is to keep track of your containers and packages. With Skustack, you'll never have to worry about misplacing a package in the wrong container or with the wrong shipping carrier ever again. With just a few clicks, you can create new containers, view packages already assigned to containers, and manage all your shipping containers in one place. Let's start by finding an existing container. To do this, simply go to the Orders tab, scroll down to Manage Shipping Containers, and search for the container by scanning its QR code. Once you've found the container, you can start adding packages to it. To do this, simply scan the package's tracking number, which will automatically be assigned to the correct container and carrier. If the scanned package is for a different carrier or container, the system will reject it. This is a great way to ensure your packages are always in the right place. If you need to create a new shipping container, it's just as easy. Go back to the Manage Shipping Containers section, click the plus button, assign a carrier to the container, and give it a name. Then, add one or more orders to the container by scanning their tracking numbers. It's that simple. With Skustack, managing your shipping containers has never been easier.